let's get to bookings. Now there is a difference between bookings and checking in. Okay, so bookings is what maybe you can call a reservation or something like that. Someone calls you prior and then says, tomorrow or today evening I'm going to come, please book for me this room. So whenever you book in, it doesn't add that money to the client because they're just making a reservation. But when you check in, at the point of checking in, it's when it bills the client. Okay, so booking, anyone can book and as many times as they want. Okay, so under bookings, you come here and first of all search the guest using the buttons down here. So we search for the guest. So I'm still using Jimei Says as our sample. So we can select the guest who is Jimei Says, and then you select the dates that he's booking. Yes, if he says I want to book starting tomorrow 9 up to 15th, you put those dates here, 9 up to say 15th. Yes, and then you select the room that they are booking. Yes, so maybe it is Apple, then I can now save. So it puts the transaction there and shows you the people who have booked and from which date to which date. That helps you, even when someone is booking again and they try to book that same room, it will refuse because it will tell you this room has been reserved for someone else. Okay, yes, so you can do that when you are booking for someone a room. But like I've said, in case they cancel the reservation or the booking, you just click on it and then you cancel the reservation down here. When it comes to rooms here, it's where you add your rooms. This one you do once and you are done. Yes, you do once, you enter that data once and you are done. For example, if I enter another room, let me say building 1, let me just call it Pineapple. Then the short name could also be still Pineapple. And then I say it is for guests, not for administration. Okay, I explained this and I said for guests means someone can book it, but for administration maybe it is a room that you have reserved for as a store or something like that. So for guests I save, and then it asks me to select the room type. So if it's a conference hall, you put a conference hall. So you now put the actual price and the lower limit. Actual price acts like the higher end. Yes, so if I put here 70 as my highest, then I put 50 as my lowest, whoever tries to book that room with an amount beyond that range, it refuses. Below the range, it also refuses.